Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox gear in-game. First, understand that gear adds unique abilities or items to your character within compatible games. To prepare, ensure your chosen gear is equipped to your avatar before you even launch a game. Just visit your avatar page, select the gear, and click Wear so it is ready. Remember, not every game allows all types of gear, so checking the game's details beforehand saves time and confusion. When you enter a game that supports gear, your equipped items will usually appear in a dedicated inventory bar on your screen. This bar typically shows slots labeled with numbers from 1 to 9, making them easy to access. To bring a specific piece of gear into active use, you can either click on its icon directly in the bar with your mouse or press the corresponding number key on your keyboard. This action makes the item visible in your character's hand or activates its effect. Activating your equipped gear usually depends on the item's function. For most handheld tools, like a sword or a gravity coil, a simple left mouse click will trigger its primary action. If you have a consumable item, such as a healing potion, selecting it from your inventory typically uses it immediately upon selection. Some more complex gear might require holding down a mouse button or pressing a specific hotkey, so always refer to the item's description for detailed instructions to unlock its full potential. For a smooth experience, always check a game's details to confirm it allows the gear you intend to use. Developers often disable specific types of gear to maintain game balance or create a specific gameplay environment. If your gear isn't functioning as expected, first double-check that it is correctly equipped to your avatar. Next, confirm the game truly supports that item. If all else fails, consider rejoining the game, as sometimes a simple refresh can resolve minor in-game glitches or display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.